Boys, have we all been, chap? Look, taller, height comparison. Oh my god, 6'3". I'm telling you now.
Not true. That is just not true.
Come on, Ranboo. Go on.
Are you sure?
Hi guys, it's me.
Yeah.
Oh, man.
Shit. You can go up these stairs and then dangle.
Don't dangle. No, because you're wearing shoes and you're going to get my wall dirty. It's
Get
you.
your wall dirty.
You did it earlier.
Watch. Hello, feet cam guys. Hi guys, it's me, Foot.
You're literally rubbing your shoes on my wall. Stop.
What?
You're doing property damage.
I don't think I ever
You're doing
wanted
property.
to hear. I don't think I ever
right.
wanted to hear those words on this channel.
It's me, Foot Zone. I'm
you
gonna
down.
talk about politics. This is an original meme, not inspired by any stand-up comedians.
Oh, he's got a gun.
Man!
Oh, he's still going. Oh, he's still going.
Dude, stop!
Okay.
What the?
Made my wall dirty.
That might hurt.
Good.
Hey
I feel
guys.
like I'm in danger.
It's me, Foot Zone.
You're still putting your feet on my wall. Look, dude, look at that.
That's how
Wait.
the world works.
Oh. That was worth it. That was really worth it.
That was worth the stop.